Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Enjoy this video.
Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started.
Dongle. Give me a red dongle. Give me a red, two red dongles. Here it comes. Okay, $7,000. 178. Oh, an inked bag. Inked bag, 177. Red dongle, gemstone. All right, guys. See you soon, Cassie. This is gonna be great. The greatest music video of all time. We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Oh god. Look at 14. Oh god. I'm getting dizzy. Okay. Oh god, we're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Alright, how much altitude do we need? Alright, this is it. This is it. When do we jump out?
Wait, are we jumping straight out or are we gonna swoop around?
Hold. What?
Okay.
Let me know when.
Hold. Jump.
Jesus! How do you open your parachute? 14, how do you open it? 14, how do we open the parachute? How do we open the parachute? Oh! No one taught me. Oh god.
Oh, he's staring at me.
Oh. He probably thinks you're cool.
I see you.
I'm gonna go make some burgers.
Now,
Blue
what was
laptop or
it?
blue dongle?
Blue laptop, that's the problem. We already
paid
got
for.
the laptop. And let's just say, you know, we went up to Polito, and would you know it, the vault was already open. Someone apparently already did Polito today. We're actually trying to figure out who it is so we can kill them. But other than that,
Well, this is really awkward because the people who did Polito was me and
cool. Well, if that's the case, I would love to sell you this blue laptop and then kill you.
This is
What?
the bank here. This is the gate.
Oh.
This is the vault.
hold on.
At
Look,
the moment,
between
the
you and me,
door
I'm
will
literally in
open
the middle of a
shortly.
bank robbery right now. I
Once we
think
go
I
in,
unfortunately
we'll
might not be
introduce
able to
you
do
the
this one.
next step, okay?
Call me when you're free.
back to the front.
Toodles.
Back to the front. Back
Alright,
to the
see you
front.
later, Mickey.
Back to the front. Back to the front. Everybody, back to the
Yeah,
front.
guys, it's getting crowded back here.
Alright.
What the heck in there anyway? Just cuz. But Lenny? Hopefully he picks up.
Hey, Uno!
That scared me. Lenny, you okay?
Lenny,
What's wrong?
No!
Lenny? What's happening? You okay? You need help?
Okay. Listen.
Uh,
I am me. I am me. I am me. I am
Oh,
me.
no, he's
I
lost
am me.
it.
I am me. I am me. I am
Lenny,
me. I
what are
am
you
me. I am me.
doing?
I am me. I am me. Okay.
What?
What's your name? What's your name?
Oh, you picking up a hostage?
Yes, we have the
All
hostage.
right. I need to get my VPN from the apartments, and I'll meet you at Polito.
Oh, wait, what?
I forgot.
Idea, bro.
That's
Master
perfect. I just
idea.
finished setting the hostages on fire. What's your idea?
What? Wait, what?
Yeah, what's your master idea?
Hostages
What's the
on
master?
fire? Hostages of what?
You ever hear of the Mira Park Tavern?
Yeah.
So these dudes robbed them apparently, and I was robbing a house by there, and this dude helped me out, so he's my pal. These guys robbed the Mira Park Tavern, and they said they needed help, you know, getting some revenge. So walked up, poured out a gas tank, set him on fire, and then now I'm back at the apartment.
Anyone ever told you that you're an absolute psychopath?
No, I was backing up my friends. I did it for my friends.
You're an absolute psychopath. That's loyal. You're a loyal psychopath.
Anyway.
Lenny goddamn loves it, baby. Lenny loves it.
You want that film? Let me know.
What's going
Alright.
on right
3
now?
seconds or
The
whatever.
fucking police are just hanging outside the apartments. Are you okay?
Someone's getting raided. Could be me.
Okay, so it's not any of us.
I hope not.
What's where's the red?
Red's in my apartment right now. If it's me, it's gonna be gone. No, I'm kidding. It's not me. They didn't even catch me.
Oh, holy fucking shit, Uno, stop doing that shit to Lenny! You're gonna give Lenny a heart attack!
Listen,
Lenny's
Lenny,
already overweight enough!
let's meet up somewhere. I don't have the money on me.
Yes.
They wouldn't let me in the apartments because they're raiding.
Okay, we'll meet at Burger Shot, yeah?
All right, meet up at the Burger Shot. we can talk about some stuff.
Let's go.
All right, meet at the Burger Shot. We'll talk about the red dongle there.
Okay, meet you in a sec. Love you.
Yep, Burger Shot.
Burger Shot, love you.
Guys, I can't say it. And we can afford the fines if we don't shoot a cop.
Well, I'm stalking my friend. I'll see you.
What? All right, we're doing the bank in a bit. Where are you stalking your friend?
No, I said I'm taking care of these stocks.
What? Oh God, I'm stealing someone's.
You own this vehicle.
Oh Jesus. Sorry, I dropped my
Don't
drink
worry
in
about
there.
it,
Oh.
I need 78.
Oh, look, I
I
found
need 78. I'm being carried. I'm being carried. I need 78.
Wait, Vorty. I can explain, officer. I just dropped my food in there.
40.
Go find your food, bro.
I already got. Back to stealing the car. How's it going, everybody? Oh, Akala Grace, thanks for the subs. How's the Vegas thing? That was pretty fun. Hopefully, hopefully everyone gets to visit more often. What's happening? Alright, you ready?
Is this good enough? Is this
Yeah, we'll be fine. Someone set it on fire.
we'll be fine.
Yeah, Cassie, record it. Record it. Oh God. Oh God. Cassie, did you get it? Jesus. Holy Jesus. Oh my God. Jesus, Cassie, you get that?
I got it all.
Oh, perfect. Put that in the video. I gotta get out of here before the cops show up. Oh. I did that on purpose.
Is that Otis too?
That's
Yo,
Otis,
what's
yeah.
poppin'?
Yeah, what's good, guys?
Hey,
All right,
I
I
heard
was
you
just
got
looking
your own
for
sauce
Lenny.
now.
Yeah, finger sauce. It's like
I heard you
ranch.
put semen in it.
What? Oh my God, is that why those officers were worried when I... Is that why when I said the special sauce, the officers thought... Okay, I met you.
Say his name afterwards, and apparently that's why they
Hey,
killed
Ron
him.
that
Otterman's
this
down
guy?
at Burger Shack.
Oh my God, oh! These locals are insane, help!
What is going on?
These locals!
Crazy
Oh God, help! I need to go to the hospital. I just got killed by a
There's an
local.
ambulance already coming by.
You all right?
Oh God, no, this local just killed me.
I bring you over here.
Imagine robbing a bank, getting away, and then you get run over by a local.
Oh God, Ron.
Help. You
Memorable.
use your alternate eye and, kind of look at this stuff and see if you can grab it.
Wow.
Yeah, go for it.
I
don't wanna
say
grab
that
it,
Randy
but you can
Bullet is
grab
one
it
of the
off.
best teachers in robbing a bank.
That's right. That's me, Randy Bullet.
I would never be able to do this without.
That's me, Randy Bullet, the greatest criminal. What do you do?
Fill it up.
What do you do? What?
What is going on the
Oh,
table?
yes.
Is this?
I don't know.
is
I don't.
this
That's
what
not
it's-
part of the.
Guys, big spider.
Oh my!
Done
robberies
anything
for the
wrong.
cops.
Bank robberies. That's wild. There's no way I would rob a bank. I couldn't imagine. I just
Shoes
went to
light up,
go.
sir?
Yeah. What do you think? Check these out.
Are you
That's cool.
5?
That's really cool, actually.
Well, yeah, they're kind of cool, right?
I had those when I was 5.
Why are you harassing?
Oh no, they weren't bothering me. They were just they were keeping us safe with the what were you guys called? You guys, no matter how good you are, you're only like a split second away from messing it up. So either way, we still got the bank. That's what matters.
So,
Is that's a news reporter?
Yeah, it's the news.
Ladies and gentlemen, can you hear me?
Hello, sir. I, Randy Bullet, I'm robbing this bank.
Oh, hello. My name is Yevgeny. And here to
He
report.
is also robbing the bank.
Oh, hey, it's Mickey.
Oh, yes, you guys all.
Hold on, I gotta take a call.
name is Lexi Law.
Oh Jesus! Hey, he did a bunch of impressions. All right, the one thing he didn't do was the glowing shoes. And I maybe it's better that he didn't, because it's much it's not good to be a criminal with glowing shoes. But I mean, you know, it would have been funnier if he did. But to be honest, you know, you don't really want to be a criminal with glowing shoes. It's usually not a good idea.
You're telling me.
Oh, Salmon New, thanks for the subs. Demon Dude's contacted? I don't think so, guys. I mean, we failed the mission.